Hi, I'm Joy Mahone, and I'm so excited to share with you the launch of my latest book, The Ultimate Illustrated Guide to Sewing Clothes. I started my own business and have been fitting and sewing for people for over 25 years now. It's an amazing journey, and the thing that I love about sewing is that there's always something new to learn. There's new fabrics, new body shapes and sizes to fit and sew for, and I truly believe sewing clothing is really one of the best pastimes and outlets. You know, we can sew for a career. It might be something that we use for a charity project to give back to others. We might make something for a family member. However you use sewing, it is going to be a rewarding journey for you. I also know that we are all at different skill sets. Some people are beginners or have never sewn before, and others are seasoned sewists. I truly believe that there's something in this book for everybody. So take a look at my latest book, The Ultimate Illustrated Guide to Sewing. I hope you'll love it.